Let's see how to read Excel and a CSV file by Python. Before that, we will be having an Excel and a CSV file. So I have just created an Excel file with named as a test1. So let's open this file. So in this I gave a values for the name, age and stream. And let's open the CSV file which I named as a test2. In this also I gave the same values, name, age and stream, and with it along with our values. So just go to my IDE. So first we have to import the pandas. We have to run this. Then we have to create a variable where we have to store the data. So let's take it as our df excel pt.read underscore excel, open parenthesis, then copy the path of this location. First let's read the excel, right? Here I go, and I will copy here and I will paste. Then I will give the file name. So we have to keep the forward slash. So we will run this. We will read the variable now, df excel. So here we go. So we got the values of excel. So we will try to read now CSV file. df CSV variable name pd dot read underscore CSV, from parenthesis under double quotes. You can use the same path we have stored. Paste. The file name I gave is test2.csv. Just the difference is here we gave a read Excel, so we have to give a CSV and with along with extension as a CSV. Then run this, read the variable. Here we go. So we read the CSV and the Excel file. Thank you.